Hello YouTube traders, my name is Star Explorer. I'm a share swing trader and a Discord community analyst at 10 Bagger Stocks. So today's topic is why I shorted oil on April 26. We're going to learn how I know when is a good entry and two, when to take profits. So regarding the entry, I said on April 26 that I was going to take HOD over the weekend and that we have a daily doji right there under the 20-day moving average. SMA is simple moving average. For those of you who don't know what HOD is, it's basically the Canadian ETF to short oil with 2x leverage. So the first is when I know is a good entry. I'm just going to give you context. We're going to move back to April 15th right there. Hold on a second. April 15th. There we go. So here we have what it looks like, a bull flag with the daily candle that is being supported by the 20-day exponential moving average and 20-day simple moving average. If this is a bull flag, then the next candle we should be expecting is a green candle for continuation to the upside. But instead, what we have is a red candle. So this is a pretty bad sign. Okay, I'm going to point your attention to the RSI. As you can see right now, it is edging the support trend line, and yes, you can draw a support trend line on the RSI. Okay, if we take a look at the next candle, big red candle that effectively negates the bull flag because the support is broken. Okay, was broken, the moving average I'm saying, and look, the support trend line for the RSI, which previously we were right there, now we're completely under it. We have a break of the support trend line. Okay, now we're just going to move to April 26. Okay, you can see we have the daily candle is being supported by the 50 exponential moving average, now 50-day simple moving average, and now we're on April 26th. This is when I gave this signal. Okay, so how do I know that there was a good time to short oil? First, we have a rejection on the 20-day daily simple moving average. Previously it was support, now it's acting as resistance. And two, we have what it looks like, well, before it was a bull flag, now we have what it looks like, a bear flag. And three, we're under the support trend line on the RSI. Okay, so those are all signs that made me think that it's a good time to take a short position on oil. Okay, so the next question is, when do you actually take profits? Okay, personally, I took profits right there. Okay, and it was a little bit soon, but the reason is just going to give you my thought process, is because first, if you look at oil, previously we have a lot of oil there's a lot of risk that it can get stuck in a range. Okay, so it's all about risk management. I didn't want to get stuck in a range, so I took profits earlier because under my risk management, I'm playing it really safe. Okay, but that's other people's risk management can be playing it a little bit greedy. Okay, and third, this is a Monday. This candle is a Monday, April 29th, and I had to consider the next monthly candle because on the next monthly candle you do have a monthly high that you have to consider. So I was afraid that the next monthly high might be above, let's say, this candle. Okay, but in hindsight, okay, if this was a bear flag and this was the top of the bear flag, then there's not a lot of chance that it'll make another high. Okay, but that's in hindsight. So having said that, the best play in this situation was to actually just trust the actual data, meaning you trust uh, the daily candle that's being closed. Right now we have a full red body candle, so that's no reason to close the short just yet. Okay, so if we take a look at the next red candle, we have again a full red body candle. So that's still a good time to, you can still hold it. Okay, you could have still hold it. Again, right now we have a full red body candle. You can still hold it again. Okay, don't cover it just yet. Now we have a really weak red body candle. You can take profits just right there. Okay, take profit, partial profit, I mean. If we take a look, next red candle, and here you might act a little bit more, you might have to act a little bit more careful, because we have a green candle, the RSI is at oversold, and now right here, this is when you would fully exit your position and fully take profits, because clearly this is a daily reversal candle. Okay, we're oversold and we have a reversal candle. So we're not going to talk about, obviously we have a daily we have another rejection here, but we're not going to talk about that right now. Just know that technically, with all the information you have right here, because you couldn't see the next two candles, this is when you would fully exit your position. So if you want to receive instant swing trade signal, you can consider joining the premium Discord access. The link is in the description. And if you want a comprehensive learning package to eventually become an independent trader, there's the 10 Bagger Stocks Canadian Stock Market Master Course Bundle. I bought it myself and I highly recommend it. It has everything you need to know all in one place, so that you don't have to look all around the web to get up to date. You know, it has volume, options, moving average, RSI, TFSA, RRSP, a lot of things, candlestick patterns, candlestick themselves, and it's been dumbed down so that anybody can understand. Okay, no matter, regardless of your level. So, all right, guys, that's it. All the links are in the description box, and feel free to leave me a comment if you have any questions, and see you guys in the next video.